effect until 6:15 p.m. for south central Marshall and northeastern Jasper counties. At 6:05 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Rock Creek Lake, or 9 miles northeast of Newton, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by trained weather spotters. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of south central Marshall and northeastern Jasper counties, including the following locations: Kellogg, Oakland Acres, Rock Creek State Park, Laurel and Newton Municipal Airport. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Jasper, and Marshall. A tornado warning remains